Welcome back to J-Lingo. Today, we're going to demystify one of the most confusing parts of learning Japanese: how to tell the difference between kanji that sound the same but mean different things. We'll start with our first pair. Both are read as kiku, but they have very different meanings. The kanji kiku means to hear, or to get a piece of information. It refers to passively receiving information. For example, you might say, "Uwasa o kikimasu," and this means, I hear a rumor. The second kiku means to listen actively, or to pay close attention. This action requires high concentration and focus. For example, you would use this for a sentence like, "Ongaku o kikimasu." This means, I listen to music. Now, let's move on to our next pair. They also have the same reading but different meanings. The kanji miru is the most common use, meaning to see or to look at in a simple way. For example, you might say, "Toke wo mimasu." This means, I look at the clock. The second miru means to watch, to observe, or to view with appreciation. This action often happens when you're an audience member. For example, you would use this for a sentence like, "Eiga o mimasu." This means, I watch a movie. In summary, the difference lies in the level of focus. One kiku is to hear passively, while the other kiku is to listen actively. Similarly, one miru is to see simply, while the other miru is to watch and appreciate. We hope this video helped you understand these kanji pairs better. Please like and subscribe for more useful lessons. Thanks for watching.